Hi everybody, I'm presently in a 2007 Nissan Versa, and this is just to show you that how the control module of the ventilation is set up, and you see, I hooked up a new momentary switch on the contact of the existent one, and this is the cheapest way to do the job. And all you have to do is to weld stranded small stranded wire to a switch, so this switch can be hooked up or placed just aside the steering wheel over here. This is quite a long job to dismantle, but that's worth it's worth it. Thank you very much.